So there are 5 there. Nice job. Can you give me 3 points that are collinear? Not coplanar, collinear here. 3 points that are collinear, meaning they form a line. What do you got for me? Don't tell me, Sammy. AHB. Is there another set of 3 you could have given me? Anybody? Another set of 3? Julia? BJF, yep. Does everyone say, hey, AEC, no good? That's not a line. I don't know what that is. It's an angle. Okay, that's not a line. All right. And also, somebody brought up in my regular geometry class, you don't need actual dots to be points. Like A is a point, even though I'm not. All right, it doesn't need that every time. Okay. I know you guys are rookies, so you may be thinking that. Okay, ready? Are points A, H, J, D coplanar? Hey, you told me how many planes were in this diagram? 5. So do A, H, J, and D make up one of those 5 planes that you see right now in the diagram? Do they make any one of the 5 up? No. So those are not coplanar. We don't need to explain. They are not coplanar. Same question, new set of points, B, D, and F. You guys said there was 5 planes. Do B, D, and F make up one of those planes? Or are part of one of the planes? Yes, it is. Everyone see the difference between 10 and 11? Okay. Anybody astronomers in here? Stargazers? Good talk. All right, moving on. First thing, just get rid of C real quick. It's a little trick question. A, what geometric figures are modeled by the stars? Now, hey, everyone see the yellow? I'm just going to call them dots. Probably just gave that away. These are the stars. Not connected. The stars themselves are most represented by what geometric term? They are points. Yep. If you look at star 1, 2, and 3, are they collinear? Stars 1, 2, and 3. Are they collinear or not? What's collinear mean again? They form a line, yes. Not an angle. They form a line. Do 1, 2, and 3 form a line? No, they form an angle, right? All right, so that's a big no right there. 1, 2, and 3 do not form a line. Okay, everyone all good? Anything on collinear, coplanar? Because we got one more set of vocabulary terms. Feeling comfortable? Okay, let's do it. Ooh, little slide. Parallel lines. You guys heard of those before? I hope last year when you guys talked about slope probably. All right, so I'm not going to spend too much time on there. Parallel lines. Lines that do not intersect each other. Let's put some points on there because I am going to ask you a question that hopefully, if you've dealt with parallel lines before, you know the answer. How do I write that they're parallel instead of writing the full word parallel? Is there a symbol out there that I can put in between them that says AB parallel to CD without writing the full word out? Go ahead, Mike. What do you got? An equal sign? Oh, a little bit more detail we need, huh? What do you got for me? Familiar with that? Parallel? Symbol for parallel. All right. Any issues? Okay, let me stop where we are right now because this doesn't, I should have put it right now instead of at the end of your notes for today. You're going to start seeing this symbol above in number 4. It's the line with no arrows on it. Does everyone see that above AC? Right, that's called a line segment. Okay, and we'll get to that vocabulary definition at the end. I should have put it now, but that's my fault. All right, that's a line segment. That's part of a line. All right, so don't Don't get all crazy because we've never seen that, right? That's a line segment symbol, right? So I want to know, looking at my diagram right now, name another segment that's parallel to AC. Parallel, meaning it does not intersect. Name another segment parallel to AC. What do you got, Alyssa? DF. Looks good. So DF. Points. What do you got for EF? Parallel to EF. EF and BC. Looks good. And how about AD? What do you got over there, Maddie? CF. Looks good. And also, I should also point out that these two are also coplanar. Does everyone see that? These two are coplanar. These two are coplanar. So any pair of parallel lines are also coplanar. All right. Ooh, this is a huge one, this first one. I'm just going to leave that there. Skew lines. When you first read this definition, I don't blame you if you say that's impossible. That can never happen by definition. Read it. Okay, they're not on the same plane. Okay, fine. But read the next part. And they're not parallel and they don't intersect. How can that happen? They're either parallel or they intersect, right? So how can they both not happen? Here's how. Everyone ready? Take a look at this group right here. Is going to help me out. Grab your pen right there. Put it along any of the edges of my cube right here. So everyone see that line right now. Okay. Anna, take your pen. Put it right down here for me. Okay, everybody ready? Are those two lines, aka their pens, on the same plane? Okay, so they're non-coplanar. Are they parallel to each other? Everyone agrees? No. Now, please remember this fact. This is three-dimensional right now. So if this kept going vertically and that kept going horizontally, will they ever intersect in 3 dimensions? No. So you see how that skew lines happen? Okay, one more time. Are they on the same plane? Nope. Are they parallel? And will they ever intersect? Not in 3-dimensional space, they won't. Does everyone see that? So these two lines would be called skew lines. Thank you very much. Right? That's called skew lines. So same set of segments now, same diagram, but now give me a line that's skew to it. So take a look at AC. So you definitely don't want to give me BC or AB because they're on the same plane. You definitely don't want to give me DC because they're parallel. Give me another line, though, that will never intersect AC. Give me another line that will never intersect AC, not coplanar, and not parallel. Bella, what do you got? EF. What do we think, guys? EF? Here, behind here. Yeah, that's one of a couple you could have given me. Well, let's go to EF now. Don't do it. Don't be that person. I'm ready. AD. Let's see. EF and AD. Looks good to me. Anybody see where I was catching on there? I didn't want somebody to say AC. And AD. Don't be that person. Or you could be. That's fine too. Something that's skewed to AD, guys. Don't give me anything on that bottom plane. Don't give me anything that's parallel to it. Yes, Maddie? BC. I like it. Okay. Any issues with skew lines? That's a little tougher concept, skew lines. Parallel planes. 2 planes that are parallel. Parallel planes. There's only 2 in that diagram, or one pair in that diagram. Anybody got the pair that are parallel to each other? Planes that do not intersect? Go ahead, Mike. Yep. So plane ABC, and we'll start using our terminology and symbols, is parallel to plane. What was the other one, Mike? DEF. Nice job. All right. Questions before we get to this second to last one? I need a line and a plane that are parallel. Ooh, whoa. That's a little bit tougher. 2 planes I can handle.